What is compartmentation? Compartmentation is a division of a ship into separate sections called compartments. Using water lights, bulkheads, decks, and doors, each compartment is designed to be sealed so that water cannot easily pass from area to another. Purpose of compartmentation: to limit flooding if the ship hull is damaged. 2. To maintain stability and buoyancy. 3. To give the crew time to respond to the emergencies. 4. To prevent the entire ship from flooding at once. Watertight integrity. Watertight integrity means the ship's ability to prevent water from entering or spreading inside. This is very important for keeping the ship afloat and stable.
Of watertight integrity is compromise, open or damaged watertight doors, or maintenance of seals and bulkheads. Unauthorized modification, whole pipes not sealed properly. This can cause water to spread between compartments, leading to loss of stability, increased release of trim, possible sinking. Example: imagine a ship divided into 5 compartments. If one gets flooded but the other are sealed, the ship can still float. But if doors between compartments are open, water will spread and may sink the ship. Compartmentation is a critical safety design in ships. It directly supports watertight integrity by controlling flooding and protecting stability. However, its effectiveness depends on proper maintenance and strict discipline in keeping watertight openings closed when necessary. And that's all, sir. Thank you.